morning. Good morning. What's going on, people? Shout out to everyone who swung calls. As stated yesterday, for this, we bought at the best level possible for the gap fill. I swung calls and I'm looking to sell at open. Okay, guys. I'm just getting my screen set up. Where we are right now, it looks like we're due for a pullback, to be honest, at the start. Where's there it is. Oh fuck. Okay, guys. I'm selling my swing calls at open. Let me check the chats. Let's fucking go. I'm muted, guys. No, I'm not muted. Some of y'all tripping. I made over 1,000, but on paper trading. Tracy. It's my dude right there. I'm proud of you, man. Some good shit. I'm getting ready to sell my calls right at open. 9:30 click. What the fuck was that? I didn't click yet because the stupid thing is my contracts are too wide apart. I'm trying to get filled. I'll run up a little more. Let me get a better fill. Come on, fill me, fill me. I have a fill at 26.50. A limit order for 26.50. I'm trying to get it. I would have already been out of this, guys, if my freaking bid and the ask weren't so far apart. It actually pisses me off right now. My come on, man. Okay, I just canceled that. Putting it for $27. Okay, I'm filled. I got filled at $27. Wow. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy fuck. Guys, I just had my first six-figure week. Holy shit. Holy fuck. Okay, sorry. Okay, KO, I'm looking for puts right now. We're looking for puts at 409.73 puts. We're at a key level. I apologize. Wow. Okay, I'm going we're gonna wait for the next candle. We are at the key level right now. I puts on my screen, same day puts. Holy shit. Okay, we're waiting for the next bar, guys. Waiting for the next bar. We're gonna see how we react here. We're at a key level at a 409. 409.68. We didn't quite hit it yet. Let's see how we do. Okay, guys, we have puts on the screen. We are extremely bullish right now. So I'm looking at our key level. Our key level is 409.68 to 410. So we have to wait for the next 5-minute candle to see how we react. But I'm looking for calls today. I'm looking for calls, but we're going to catch a pullback. We're going to catch a same-day pullback. The first 5 minutes, I do not like trading because so much shit happens in that. There's way too volatile. Way too volatile. Okay, I'm hitting 410 puts on my screen right now, same days, okay? Come on, hit the key level. Hit the key level. Okay, I just did a starter. I'm in a starter position right now at 410 puts at 158. I have a starter position. If you're new here, we have a bunch of new people. We always add in slowly. We start off with a 25% position size. So right now I only have 25 contracts out of 100 contract position size. So my average cost is 158. I can already sell. I should have hit more. But it's okay. We're going to see. We have our key level coming up here. I'm waiting to add because we could rip up higher. So I'm just holding down 25 contracts on 410s. I did 410 just in case we rip to 410 right now. I'm still, my contracts are still good. They're not going to go to shit like 409s would. Yo, who remembers me saying yesterday that we're at the best level to buy calls and hold? We're at the bottom of the channel. We're literally at the bottom of the channel. The absolute freaking bottom. That was the best time for calls. The best time. And I held my conviction. I held 200K. I bought 100 contracts of October 20th, 405 calls. My average was 23, 24, 24, 24.30s or 24.20s, something like that. And I sold for 27. So I had this is definitely the biggest week I've ever had in one single week day trading. And 70,000 from it was swing trades. I traded 417 puts and also swung 405 calls, which made like just over 70K, maybe say 75K just on swing trading. And then I day traded. So just me going in with 100 contracts this week, I made over 30,000 just same days. So just to show you guys it's possible, man. And I'm not some super rich guy, so the amount of money I made this week is it's a blessing. I'm not numb to this shit. I'm new to this shit. I just made 5 years ago. I just made 2 of my year's salary in 3 days, so I'm pretty pumped. And I don't mean to brag. Just you guys should use this shit as motivation, man. It's crazy. You're eventually all gonna be there, and it's just everything's gonna click, man. Okay, so I forgot I'm still in puts. We're waiting to see how this reacts right now. We are holding VWAP as support. I don't have too much hope in like a big play for puts, but we are sniping at our key level. Our key level didn't even hit, to be honest. It was just under. It's at one of our key levels, so hopefully we can get a nice pullback. But if you're in puts and you're even right now, it's probably a good opportunity just to get out. I'm not liking this anymore because 408.67 is acting as support. So I'm gonna cut my puts until we go higher. I think I'm even. I may be even up money. No, I'm down. I'm down a tiny bit. I'm down 3 cents. Yeah, just keep the loss small here. I think we're going higher, guys. Keep the loss small. The play that I expected is not gonna happen. So if you're holding 410 puts, same days, and you plan to double down, like do your thing. But if you're yeah, see, I knew that was gonna happen. Okay, yo, 410 puts, I'm hitting heavy. I'm hitting heavy. Go hit 410. Yo, 410 puts, I'm hitting with size. I'm telling you guys right now. You might want to do safe contracts. I recommend safe contracts. We could be at the peak of the channel before a big drop, or we can flip super bullish. I'm not sure. As soon as it hits it. I'm going same days. Okay, I have 100 contracts at 133 for 10 puts. 100 contracts at 133. 133 same day puts. Okay, I'm going to add to this position. It's most likely going to hit 410 first. And I do not plan on holding this long. Okay, I plan to have 200 contracts in this position. So that's why I added in. Okay, I have 200 contracts right now at 130. No, I just added at 130. It's 131. My average cost 131 right now. 200 contracts. And 410. I'm watching this very carefully. I don't plan on losing a lot of money on this trade. So I'd have stop losses on. We could go a little higher. This is a pullback range. If we blow through here, we're going to our next key level at 410.60. So stop out immediately, and then we're going to hit puts at 410.60. This could go super bullish, and we could hit 410.60 fast. So it's okay to get stopped out. And then we just add. Okay? We just re-enter the same trade. But I'm still in this right now. I'm pretty much even. So I'm looking for a decent sized pullback for same days. We're at the 200 EMA on the 30-minute time frame. Potential overhead, we do have the 200 moving average at 411s. So I'm watching very careful right now. Very carefully. Remember, do not lose money on this. Don't lose a lot of money. Don't let this trade get out of hand. Do not let this trade get out of hand. Cut your losses, and if it's gonna keep going up, we'll get in at 410.60. Okay. The reason why we are doing puts, because when the trend's bullish, is because it has not had a pullback yet. Okay. Usually we go into a lot of people who shorted and made money or did calls and make money. We have a slight pullback. We have yet to have that today. So that's the reason why we're in puts. If you do safe puts, that's why I told people to do safe. I'm in same days because I know my risk management. It's okay to get stopped out, guys. Don't freaking keep holding this. If it hits your max risk, get out. And you can always re-enter. We all trade different because we all have different account sizes. We all have different risk tolerances. So remember that. Stick to your plays. Remember, I'm not beside your account. I don't know how much money you have. I don't know how much you've been losing or been making. And I don't know how much position size you have in this compared to your account. So I'm playing with my account. I'm good right now. I'm not tripping out at all. I'm only 10 cents down on my contract. The reason why I let this go is because I'm up 6 figures on the week. So a $2,000 loss. $2,000 doesn't bug me being down. But it's different for you guys. But I'm holding this. I'm holding 410s. I think we get a pullback to at least 409.81 to 409.68. It may not happen right now. We may have to hit it at 410.74. As long as you guys are aware of that, let's make some fucking money. Remember, if it blows past here, it's going to 410.60, and that's where you hit the puts. Like its previous support. So I'm looking to short there, but we should see a pullback before that, to be honest. And if we don't, it's just going to make 410.60 an even better put. And I'm watching 410 right now. For support or a resistance. Okay, we're watching 410. It's a key level. We just broke through 2 key levels without retesting. That's why I'm holding my puts. So I will cut it if 410 acts as support. We should go back down to 409.60 to be honest, okay? We ran $5 on the day. This is a wicked spot for puts at the moment. We just to see how it reacts, okay? If you are in puts right now with me, we are watching 410, guys. If you see 410 act as support, you have to cut this because it's going to go to our next level. Okay? It should not hold a support right now. We are way overextended. But then again, fuck predicting. We're reacting. We're playing the chart, okay? We bought our key levels. I'm selling at 409.68, okay? If we hit 409.68, I'm going to sell there. If not, like this is a level we're watching right now. I'm only 10 cents down on my contract, so I'm paying very close attention. My average cost is 131. We're currently at 123. We could bounce here. Be very, very careful. 410 is a big, big, big zone. But this is, like I said, I told you guys, I'm going to hit 410 with size because this is one of the best spots to do puts. And it may not happen. We just may be ultra bullish. It's okay if that happens. We're not going to get every key level every single time. If you are new here, we do like safer the contracts are the better, okay? I have lessons a bit posted for everyone new who's joined. so you guys can get caught up to date with us. Everyone else that's been in here, they know how to size into positions, size out, and stop losses. So just make sure you're not just holding 410 puts and just letting it keep losing money. You shouldn't risk more than 20 cents on your contract. I've yet to hit 20 cents on my contract because I sized in. Okay, 410 is currently acting as a support, so be very careful. Candle is not finished. Let's check the one. This type of chart usually should have a pullback right now, but even safe contracts two weeks out, right? 1 week out, 2 weeks out at this level is a great idea. I'm using this as a snipe. I thought we'd have a bigger reaction, but I'm so confident we go down. But we never know, right? I don't have a crystal ball, so but this is a great level to be in puts, and if you get stopped out, you get stopped out. Okay. 410 is once 410 is confirmed to support, you just cut it. I don't know how high this can go today. We're already up $5 on the day. So I think it's like 410 is a psychological number. We should be seeing a pullback here. Did you see when a 410 became support? And now how we're bouncing? It's starting to look like a fake out. And we blew through 2 key levels is the reason why we've taken this trade. And we're up $5 on the day. I'm not looking for calls after a $5 gap up. I'm personally not doing that. So we're playing against the trend. But if you get stopped out, remember 410.60 is the next level that we're going to hit with. I'm about to hit October puts with this thing. I added another 100 at $1.08. I have 300 contracts in this play. I think we see a big pullback to 408.68 or 409.68, if not higher. Anything higher, I'm cutting. If we go higher, I'm going to cut this or I'm going to let this ride right now. This should really dump right now. This is an M on the 1 minute. We should be seeing a nice pullback. We may not though. Keep that in mind. My average cost right now is 121. For these same days, I'm almost even. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. This is why we add into positions. There you go. I'm going to be selling. I'll probably be selling very soon. But this is the whole thing, guys. This is why I always size into a position. I always size into a position, right? And it doesn't matter. I'm going in with the hundreds. It doesn't matter. You go in with ones. You're still bringing your cost average down from the buy-in. Okay? It's also very, very important. See, I'm even right now, but I bought in down here, right? And I'm even now. Why? Because I waited for the key levels to hit 100, 200, and now where I originally bought in my second time, I'm even. We have an M shape on the 1 minute. I would definitely have a stop loss on, guys. Now I would have a stop loss on. One big drop. We're gonna bring this back down to 409.68. One minute is way too fucking hectic, man. 5 minute just calms you right down. Carter, why are you saying sell? What's making you think that? What's making you think that we're not gonna drop? What makes you think that we're overextended by $5 and broke through key supports and we're not gonna test them? What's your theory on that? I'm just testing you. I would like to know. I'm always open to opinions, but this trade is about to be a dub, so I ain't tripping. Zen, what'd you get in at? Sell at 109.68 if you're sniping same day. Sell at 109.68. That's our key level. We're coming back down to retest. Okay, guys, I'm about to sell. This is like, I don't even know why I was wilding with this much in the same day. But fuck it. It worked. Okay, I'm out. I just got clocked in at 132. Let's go. My original fucking entry. I doubled in. I kept adding. I tripled into this exact play. I made 10 cents on it. The only reason why I sold with the 10 cents is because I had 300 contracts. So I'm up 3,000 on the day. Let's fucking go. I told you guys at that level was the best price for puts for safe contracts. I thought a bigger move was going to happen. I sized into it. And that's it. Let's go, Zen. Yo, Zen, this may be a back-to-back right now, too. If we hit 410, I'm probably going to hit puts again at 410. This looks like it's about to be a back-to-back play. Yeah, it's okay, Zach. I understand that a lot of people that bought in with me originally didn't make a lot. But I remember I added in 3 times. It doesn't matter how much contracts you had. I just kept doubling my size. I went from 1, or I went from 1. I doubled it to 2, and then I added one more 3. So even if you're buying 3 contracts, you still made money. You know what I mean? A little bit. It wasn't the best play, but we're not red. Okay? It wasn't the best play. We're not red. That's all it is. But 410, like I said, is a psychological number. I thought this big red bar would happen as soon as we touch it. It didn't happen. That's okay. We still ended the trade. We sized into it, and we still got out with a little bit of green. Okay, it's not meant to be a big play. It should have been a big play, and then it didn't. It wasn't a good play, or it wasn't a big play. So sometimes it's good like that when you size in, and then you just take your green, guys, or you take your break even. Because the play that we were expecting didn't happen. That's cool, but at least we didn't take an L and we got in and out. Yeah, D Money, did you caught that? You got stopped out? Oh, I was sweating too, guys. I had 3,000, or I had 300 contracts in it. I was tripping too. Don't get it twisted. Like, yeah, I sized in 3 times. I bought at 133, 130, and then I bought in at 107. So, yeah, I was tripping too. Don't get it twisted, but I held with you guys, right? I told you I was holding, but I was just trying to tell you guys, like, I don't know how this is going to go. Don't lose money on this play. Don't lose a lot of money. Don't hold for hopes. This red bar that you just saw right now is what I was anticipating at 410. We didn't get that, but we were still looking bearish, especially on the 1 minute. We had an M form. I wasn't feeling it, But it's also 410's a psychological number. This is the best area to buy safe puts. Like very, very safe puts. Like buying like 2 weeks out puts at 410, you can hold this down unless we make a new high. Like realistically, if you have safe puts and you bought above 410, you're chilling until you get stopped out. Because you either have the best spot possible or you're wrong and it's going up more. But this level, like I said, this is about to be a back-to-back play, Zen. Carter, I don't know if you're right. I don't want to say you're wrong, but I don't want to say you're right yet because it kind of looks bearish. But we'll see. Who cares? We're out, right? We made our money. And it wasn't even... I'm pissed because it wasn't even a good play. I'm not even a boost. It wasn't even a good play. It should have been a good play. We bought the right levels, guys. And sometimes that happens trading. It happens in trading. You buy the right level and the move you expect doesn't happen. If you get an opportunity just to make 5 cents, 10 cents, anything green or neutral, take it. If you're not confident, take it or stop out. But do not take more than a 20 cent hit on that. That's why I averaged down. I was never down more than 20 cents. That's false. It may have been, but I added after that. Like I said, calls. Zen, it was a good play to do 100 contracts as long as you sized in. And knowing your ass, you freaking bought 100 at the start and had to put 25 in at the top. No, okay, good. You have to do like started with 10, yeah. You gotta size into shit like this, but 410, I'm telling you, it's the best. Remember at 405 or 404, I was telling you guys this is the best entry for calls, the swing calls. We are at a level right now, which is if for SPY to remain bearish, right? So I'm not playing it. We may go higher, but definitely at 410.60, I'm probably gonna hit puts again. But there is a chance we could be topped out right now. Okay, good. 126 still a shitty entry too, though. God, that shit I filled at like 107. As long as you broke even, dude. As long as you made a little bit, fuck it, take it, man. Yeah, Carter, I told you it's stocks are 50-50, guys. Like if you go against something I'm saying, you have a 50% chance you're right. It's just 50-50. We never know what's going to happen. So, but a good call, Carter. Good call. I don't want to discredit you all at all because you did call that from the start. I just wasn't certain about it, so I didn't want to give my opinion when I'm not certain on something. Almost want to tell you you're stupid, Zen, because the thing just broke out, but something tells me it's fucking gonna drop right now. Awesome, Tracy. Good work. What did you take, Tracy? What play did you take? Zen, like I said, I don't know why the hell you bought that, but it's probably gonna be right because our key level 410.60 is literally right above it. Okay, gotcha. Well, you're right so far. Remember, guys, losing is all a part of trading. You have to learn how to lose. It's okay to get stopped out of plays. If you get stopped out at key level, that's fine. You hit the next key level. You don't give up for the day. You hit the next key level. It's part of trading. As long as you're winning 7 out of 6 out of 10 times, you're allowed 4 losses. If you keep your 4 losses small and you're right for the other ones, you're fine. Everyone in here, we have the best key levels. Fuck you, Zen. We have the best key levels. You know what I mean? Like, we can all make money. It's just the L's. You got to watch the L's. It's okay just trying. You have to get stopped out. You have to get stopped out. How many contracts were you going in with to lose 300 though? Did you cut your losses properly? Okay, that's not bad then. We just got to make 2 trades for 14 cents. We're fine. Don't look at the negative 300. Don't even think about 300 being down. You play 2 key levels and you you didn't get it. That's fine. You didn't buy in randomly. You bought a key level. So it's okay to lose when you're buying at a key level. It's not okay to lose when you're not buying a key level and you're just holding hopes, right? And the only reason why I stayed into that is because I averaged down 3 times. Got in 410. 43. Oh, we're breaking out. Y'all are wilding if you didn't take profits on that bar. SPY's bullish. If you're going against a trend, you better take profits quick on a day like today. Especially if you're doing same days. So, simple. Everyone watch my screen. If you're watching my screen, I'm going to show you something, okay? Previous support, 410.60 to 410.74. Previous support. Previous support. Previous support. Previous support. Support. Resistance. Right? Support. Go look at it. I don't got to tell you anything. Support. Support. Our level coming up right now. Support, support, support. For like a month, guys. This level's been respecting for a month. So what are we going to do? We're going to fucking hit puts at the previous support. Because if it turns into resistance, we have the best fucking... we have the best opportunity to fucking make money. If our previous support turns into resistance, well, shit, we going bearish, man. That's why you don't buy in if it's not a key level, because you're going to get stopped out. Because this is where you just got stopped out, Carter, is where you're supposed to be buying puts. Okay, I'm going May 10th. May 10th, 411 puts. May 10th, 411. I'm not in yet. Hopefully we go a little far up. When's this next candle open? This is meant for a snipe. The 30-minute is fucking bullish right now. Okay, I'm gonna enter. I'm entering puts right now. 410 or 411 May 10th. 411 May 10th puts. Why? Because I just showed you guys previous support for the last month. We are coming up, and there's a chance we can make it into resistance. I did a safe contract so I can hold because it may take the next 30-minute candle to hit this level again before dropping. So if you don't want to hit it right now, don't worry. I only bought in with 50 contracts right now. I could fucking sell this right now. Jesus. This is why we're holding, and the only reason why I got like a quarter of my position is because I'm gonna size in. I have a feeling like we could go up, we could overshoot this level before being rejected. So we're playing the previous support from the last month into resistance. We did it back over here. We went right up to the 200 moving average. Is there a chance we can do that? Probably. So what did I do? I stayed in the money, or I got 411, so I can add to 411. I got 411 puts, so I can add to it. If I do 410 puts and it goes into 411, dude, you're losing so much money. All I know is if we hit this level up here, there's going to be a big pullback. Because we did it back here. We didn't even retest the 200 EMA. That's what I'm playing. Up here, like around 411, a little bit 411, I'm be hitting size. I'm only like not even 10 cents down on my contract. Come on, shoot up and hit this. Shoot up and hit this. Oh, fuck. I should probably do October puts right here so I can hold this down just in case it's a bloodbath. Okay, I'm 10 cents down. I just added 50 more contracts at 290. Knowing it can come past 411, okay? I already know there's an opportunity. Just the way these 30-minute candles look, it doesn't have to hit the EMA. If we get a sharp pullback, it's going to look like it hit it. That's the only reason why I added right here. It could have been a stupid ad, but I'm just playing with past history, the way I usually play, and waiting for a 30-minute EMA or MA to hit. Sometimes it doesn't hit, and it'll make it look like it hit with a big move in the opposite direction. I don't recommend same days for this play. It's the reason why I did May 10th. It's going to bank. I ain't even tripping. This one's safe as fuck. Like, if you do, like, a safe contract at the 200 MA, you're going to bank. Because we're going to go and retest the 200 EMA. SPY respects the 200 EMA. Like, this position, I'm not even tripping out about. And I'm sizing into it, right? I'm not going all in right now. If you are going all in, I would fucking do like October puts, man. I would do something. Like something extremely safe. If you see 411, like 15, that's the play to get. But I'm in right now. I'm up a lot on the week. So if you see how I usually do 100 contracts. 100 contracts turned into starter positions right now. I don't know if it's the wisest thing to do, but I'm in. Let's fucking go. That was the best motherfucking ad. Let's go. I'm already up. A big move down is gonna it's gonna work like a magnet, okay? The further down we go, it's gonna make the 200 moving average look like it hit the top. And which means the next 30-minute candle, we're gonna touch the 200 EMA, which is gonna be around 409.82. I do not like this play for same days. I'm a risk taker, and you guys know if you see me playing it safe, there's a reason why I'm playing it safe, okay? Don't do the opposite as me and get risky contracts. I know I've been on fire lately, but even I don't trust myself with the same day here because it's just an unnecessary amount of loss because right now we're previous resistance. We could fucking fall off a cliff, guys. Like, we could. There's a chance. Right? You don't want to get too confident. And this is also, you want a safe enough play in case we get a big bearish reaction up here. It could last the entire day and until to Monday. So we don't want to be in a same day because it may not happen right away. You're going to get theta burned. So it's best to get safe contracts. Get like 2, 3, 4 weeks out contracts. Buy at 411.15. And like, you either have the best fucking entry like we do right now, or we don't. One sec. Sorry, guys, just had to take a phone call. I'm still holding. This is the best level for puts historically. It's the best level for puts because this is previous support, okay? And there's an opportunity for this to turn into a big resistance. Sometimes it doesn't happen often, okay? And it doesn't happen right away. Sometimes it takes some time. So we bought a great level. My 30-minute chart is telling me we go back to 409.70s. So that's what I'm playing this for. Yeah, that's it. That's it. It's very safe contracts. That's all it is. Sizing in, very safe contracts. It can still hit around 411.14, right? So we're just sizing in, and it's okay. So we use the bigger time frames right now to for this play. We're using the bigger time frames, okay? But you don't just hold if this thing starts ripping to 412. Like, you still have to have proper stop losses on. But you guys know why. Oh fuck, Carter, I thought you said you just added. Now you guys know why we're in this play. Okay, there's always allowed to overshoot. That's why you don't over leverage yourself. But my 30-minute chart, like, look at the last time we did it, right here, we hit around the same level, and then we came all the way back to where we want to sell. Okay, so there is a history of this exact same play, as well as that we're buying at key supports, previous supports. So there's a previous candle setup pattern as well that is going with this play, as well as we are playing key levels that used to be previous support. The next 30 minute holds this as support. I don't even know where this can go to. That's why I'm bearish as hell up here. We're past all the EMAs, right? So this is the 200 MA is our last line of defense. And anything above that, it's going to gravitate back to it regardless. And this could flip extremely bullish, guys, and just run for no reason and like short squeeze. Like you always have to have like the worst case scenario while you're buying in at the best levels. You have to think of the worst case scenario, because if you get one time you're gonna play the best setup at the best price and you're so pumped, it's like, dude, this is a guaranteed play, 100% play, and then it just rips past it and you get fucked. So you always have to have risk management in play, buying in at the best opportunity, the best spots possible. Right now is the best spot possible to be holding puts for at least $1 or $2 move. Right here is the best spot to buy puts for $1, $2 down. Okay? And if we're wrong, we're freaking wrong. We get stopped out, and it's just going to be extremely bullish. But I'm waiting for my actual a little bit higher. But they're not even going to give it to us, eh? I'm playing my 30-minute chart right now. I'm not going to let the 5-minute chart fool me. I knew we were due for a fucking a massive pullback. Do we get it? Je ne sais pas. That means I don't know. So we will wait and see. I do want to add, like, I'm fucking so confident about this play right now. I want to add more in, but you can't over leverage yourself just in case you're wrong, guys. Okay, fuck it. I'm adding 50 more. Okay, I added 50 more at 288. Watch 30-minute. This is where we're supposed to be adding, like pretty much right here. It could overshoot it. It's fine. But we have to come. We're going to gravitate towards the 200 EMA at some point today. That's why I like it. Okay, I just added another 50 at 285. If we start like breaking out of this range, I'm probably going to instantly sell and get into a much safer contract. But we should be seeing a immense pullback very soon, because this is we're pretty much maxed out. In the most bullish case scenario, we just keep running the 412. I don't see it, but it could happen. So we never want to turn a blind eye to a potential problem with our trade. But if you look at my chart, there's a reason why we're in right now. I don't want to hear anyone get mad if they lost money entering this trade. This is not a stupid trade. This is a phenomenal trade. This is a phenomenal setup. And it either works or it doesn't work. It's like every trade you ever enter, it fucking works or it doesn't work. You know what I mean? As long as you're buying in at the best price possible, like we are right now, is the best price possible to be in puts. Right now is the best price possible to be holding puts for at least $1 to $2 move. This is not going to go to, we're not holding this shit to 400. We're doing a good snipe and a good safe contract. And that's how we're playing it. And this may take the next 30-minute candle to drop, guys. Remember that. Let's hope not. Hopefully we get like a nasty just death bar. That's what I'm about. Looks bearish to me. I don't know about y'all. Oh fuck, I'm already up. Let's go. See how I added 4 times into this play. Big L, but I pretty much added the exact same level. When you add when a trade goes against you at the best price, that's why you size into a position. Okay? It's very important you size in. Zen, why did you not get a safe contract? Were you holding same days? This guy was definitely holding freaking same days. Let's go, 16%. That's what I'm talking about. Quick 16 hundo. I think you fucked up though, Zen. I think you could have made more money getting a safer contract, but because you can hold longer. Yeah, see, like right there, guys. There's our first little drop. Who's up money? Who's up money in this shit? Who the fuck's up money? You know how much confidence I gave you guys to hold through this shit? Okay, I'm up $2,000 right now on this trade. And I'm not selling. Because I'm fucking greedy. But if you guys are up, guys, get the fuck out. Like, if you're up, if you're doing, especially if you're doing same days, and you were down money, and now you're even, and you're kind of tripping out. You know what I mean? Like, play it. But, like, dude, we're coming back down to the 200 EMA. And this is also a good spot to have a stop loss on, right? So you don't lose any money. Like, put it break even. If you get clocked out, you get clocked out. Wait for a better entry. But for right now, I'm holding to a 20-cent stop loss for me with 200 contracts. I'm not watching the 5-minute. I'm not watching the 1 minute. I'm watching the 200 EMA at 409. Dude, this kid's going crazy. Man, we have way too many listeners in here and people watching the stream, and I'm only seeing the same people consistently type. Let me know. If you guys are making money, let me know. Like, send it up. Hype yourselves up, man. If you make a good trade, hype yourself up. The same people, I don't know if you guys realize, like, the same people that type in this chat are the ones that are making money consistently every single day. Every single person you see type in this chat, some days they lose, but most days they're always winning. Everyone in here, whoever's typing in this chat, start being more engaging with the community, guys. I know there's a lot of listeners and people want to do stuff themselves, but it's easier to handle wins and losses with a team, right? We're all a team. We're all a family. Like, let me know. Let me know if I'm doing a good job. Let me know if I'm doing a bad job. I think I'm doing a bad job because no one's fucking taking these plays. I gave you the most confidence in the world to be holding. How many times did I repeat myself? The best level for puts is right here. I said that, right? And right now it's been a 50-cent move from the top. Fuck, sorry. And I'm this is coming back down to 401. This is coming back down to the 200 EMA. Why is it coming back down to the 200? Holy, why is it coming through my computer? Sorry. We broke through the hold on, I can't even talk. The EMA right now, the 200 EMA on the 30-minute it's so respected on SPY. We broke through it and we rejected the last level of support or of resistance above. So it's gonna gravitate us and pull us back towards the 200 EMA around 409.80s. That's what I think is gonna happen. Okay. So it may not happen, but so far the play, it was a good play. It was the best area to be able to hold because this is previous resistance. And look, it's acting as previous support, guys, is fucking resistance right now. The candle's not done, but the previous support for the last 2 months, it did exactly what I said it's going to do, but it overshoots. It always overshoots past a key support. Remember that. It's so hard to top tick, okay? It's very, very hard to, because most of the times when you're playing your key level, it's going to shoot past it almost every time. Respect. Syntax, thank you. I only size in 25%, so I never had. This is a worse place to add in D-Money. Ash, it doesn't matter what Will does, man. I'm telling you. If I tell you guys something, you know me. When have I ever been confident about a trade? Like, when have I ever said, buy this, and you fucking lose money? I tell you guys the risks. I tell you why I'm taking the trade, and I tell you why I'm cutting out, and where I plan on selling, right? So there's a reason for that. But this play, like I said, it's the best place to buy right now, right? It could not work though. That's why you have to have proper risk management in. This thing could still run right through it. We don't know what's going to happen. The play that we're in already happened. I already could have sold for $2,000 profit, and I didn't, and it's because I'm up, right? So I really don't care. But as long as this area remains a resistance, it's we have the best entries. The next best entry is going to be if we get a double top in this area. But I really think we gravitate towards under 410. I personally think that. It may not happen. That's why when you're green, you take profit. If you make money off this play, I want all you to go in testimonials and write something. Only if it goes to 200 EMA. If it doesn't, then I can go fuck myself. What? No, but seriously, guys, if this is beneficial for you guys, let me know. Okay, I'm about to, let's see how it reacts. I honestly, yeah, dude, please touch up here. If we touch back up here. Yo, Zen, hop in a put. Hop in a same day put. Take profit fast on this bar just in case. You see how the 30-minute candle opened up green and we didn't retest the bottom wick? It's like a free put every single time. You see how we started off green, which now we're going to flip red, and we're going to test to see if this candle, the closing of this candle, acts as a support or resistance. That being said, there's always the potential we touch the 200 moving average first. I'm going to hit same days too. Okay, I'm in 411 puts at 98 cents. I have 100 contracts, and I'm going to take this all the way back down. Because SPY can fake. SPY can fake everyone else out. It ain't faking me out. Best believe that. Zen, you ready for this? I'm in same days too. Since you're in same days, you have to sell as soon as we break under 410.74. As soon as this 30-minute candle ends red, you have to sell. You have to sell because it could use it as support and then run. That's what I'm gonna know to cut my long puts or hold them. It's gonna fucking go up first, isn't it? You little bitch. Every 30-minute candle usually has a wick at the previous close. There's no wick here, which makes me have full conviction of a snipe put based off the 30-minute time frame. But we could go super bullish. Everyone has to have stop losses on. A trade can always go south as long as you have a good entry, you're fine, because if you get stopped out, you just know you're wrong. Yeah, this is going to be a 20% play for same days. I think we go right to 1060 for 1060 based off the 30-minute, because it's looking like a double top at the 200 MA. Like, we should get a death fucking bar. We really should. If we flip red, it should be a pretty nice pullback, to be honest. Look at that shit, Zen. I told your ass to get in that. It's free money. 5% already. I'm up 5%. It's gonna flip red. It's gonna flip red. You have to sell when it flips red the same day, just in case. You see how I'm not even watching the 5-minute and getting spooked? We're at a double top right now in the 30-minute at the 200 moving average. We have the potential to do a freaking fast, quick drop down. What's the time? 10:30. And we usually reverse around this time, around 10:30s, right? 10 o'clock, 10:30. But again, if you're not in this, safe contracts, again, we're at a double top of where we just were. Even if it goes a little bit above, it's a fucking wicked play to be in safe contracts. Safe contracts, and you stop loss out at 20 cents down. I'm only watching the 30-minute. I don't want to get spooked out, because the 30-minute is literally telling us we're at a double top at the 200 moving average. What happens? We should gravitate towards the 200 EMA because we're rejecting up top. So up here should be a fucking $2 put. Yeah, I just hype myself up, to be honest. Okay, I just bought 100 more contracts at 94 cents. Same days. Don't be following me. I'm up a lot of money, guys, so I'm just getting a little ballsy. So don't fucking be going full accounts on same days. You never know what's going to happen. Okay, this is our line right here. We're going to see how we react. It didn't even flip red, which means this bar can turn red, or like I said, we can go flip extremely bullish. It did not leave a wick at the previous 30-minute candle, which is telling me this candle's gonna flip fucking red. Something is telling me this candle's gonna flip red. This 30-minute candle. But there's no hoping and there's no predicting. We're playing the chart. If it flips extremely bullish, you guys know what to do, right? You got your stop losses in. 20-cent stop losses maximum. Do not let any trade get so far out of hand. Um, you know what? I'm even gonna fucking hit October puts at these levels. Actually, no, I'm good. I'm good. As of right now, there's still no reason to cut your long safe puts. There's still no reason to cut long safe dated puts. Okay, unless it hit your stop loss and get the hell out. But if you're tripping out, like this is we are where we're supposed to buy. And give me a second, guys. I'm just gonna drink my coffee and watch myself make money because this shit's gonna go down. One sec. When in doubt, zoom out. This is still a rejection of the 200 moving average. Still a rejection. This is why I'm not watching the 5 minute. I'm not getting spooked. I'm not watching my contracts. I know this candle's going to flip red. Guys, I just bought October 20th 410 puts at 1750. 410 October puts 1750. This is why same days are not good at these levels, guys, because it's a bigger play, and it may take, like I said, the next 30-minute candle to work. So as long as you have safe contracts, where we bought in was the best entry to buy in. Like I said, sometimes they always shoot up over, and it's a big fake out. So you also have to keep that in mind. And if you're, like I said, if we're wrong, we're wrong. Me, I have full conviction in this. I probably have like $200,000 in the over 200,000. I'm in same days. I'm in October puts, and I'm in our October puts, same days, and May 10th puts. And I plan to sell all of them as soon as we break 410. I have zero stop loss on anything. I'm still in same days. I'm in everything right now. This is the level where I'm supposed to buy. That's the only reason why I'm over it. Like, I have a bunch of money in there right now. So if I see the next 30-minute candle hold the 200 MAS support, then I'll just cut everything because it's going to go higher. But we're up a lot in the day without having a 30-minute candle. And we broke through the 200 EMA and did not retest it. And we haven't even touched an EMA line on the 30-minute time frame today, which means we are overbought. So I'm holding conviction. And you see how I have different contracts. I have same days, I have a week out, and I also have fucking like 6 months out. Because the ones that I'm going in with, I have 100 contracts in all of them, actually. Or just holding them down. I have 200 contracts on same days, actually. And I'm playing for this entire move to go all the way back down to 409.70s area to break 410. So I bought 411s because as soon as it breaks 411, and as soon as it breaks 410, it's like you're in the money heavy. When you buy 411s and it goes to 409, and like as soon as it breaks 410, it's like you instantly sell. But like I said earlier, I have a feeling this candle's going to turn red because we're at heavy resistance, man. And we didn't even retest the support on the 30-minute time frame. You see how it was previous resistance or previous support here? We haven't even tested it as a support yet. So this candle hasn't even tested our area as support to go higher. That's the reason why I'm in this right now. And I'm taking a lot of risk. So risk that obviously not everyone can take. And I could be wrong, but I'm holding. But Don't risk more than 20 cents on anything you're taking. You can always re-add with confirmation, okay? If you got stopped out, wait for the next 30-minute candle. As long as we're buying at the right level, like I said, I'm holding my conviction in this play because our previous support, these levels here, for a month, support, right? You keep going, support. Kept going. We broke through it on the 30-minute time frame and haven't even retested it. You see how much? See resistance here is resistance. The next candle went red. This is the move we're playing for right now. Okay, we broke through it. What did we do? We came back down, retested it, came back up, massive sell off. This is the reason why I'm playing this key level right now. This is a key level. Okay, broke through it, retested it, massive tank. Broke through it, fucking massive rejection. This is why I'm in this play. This is why I'm over leveraged. But I have confidence in this play, and I'm gonna see this play out. I'm either right or I'm wrong. So I hope you guys understand that, and I don't want anyone to lose money and give you guys too much freaking confidence. But what I just showed you guys is the reason why I'm holding puts. Okay, like I said, we could be wrong. This could just freaking keep ripping up and go to 413. I don't know, but we are at resistance right now. So historically from the chart, we should at least break through 410.60 at the absolute minimum with this candle or the next candle. And with a sell signal, if this candle gives us a sell signal in the next like 11 minutes, aka acts very bearish, then that's our confirmation. I'll probably be adding with the confirmation. Right now I just have I have good position sizes, and that's what I'm playing. If you guys got stopped out, you just didn't have safe contracts. And if you did get stopped out, you're looking for a re-entry, right? Yeah, Zen, that's why I'm holding too, buddy. Like I see. But remember, this play isn't for everyone. And if you got stopped out, you're still gonna make money off the same play, okay? You're making money off the same play. I'm holding my conviction until I either get stopped out or I'm right. And some plays take longer to happen. And I feel like if this was very strong, it would fucking keep ripping right now to our next key level, like 412.31. But it's okay if you guys got stopped out. You should have got stopped out. Remember that. You should have got stopped out. If it hits your key level or your max risk, you have to stop out here. But I'm playing this like I told you guys. I'm playing this to see it through. I don't want to get faked out, so I'm not even looking at my contract. My contracts probably look disgusting right now. I have 100, 200, and 100. And I always buy the top, and I never freaking hold. And right now, it paid for me the last two times. I bought at 417. It looks scary. I bought and swung it. I bought at 403 yesterday, 404. Scary as hell. I bought it and held. So now I'm buying at our next key level, 411.21. It looks scary. I'm buying and holding. A lot of other people using technical analysis are looking at this chart and they're probably like, I don't understand why anyone's inputs. I don't know why anyone's inputs. But there's a reason why I'm in puts, and it's my strategy on a bigger time frame. Okay, so I would be all in, right? If this was the 5-minute chart right now, guys, I would be all in. My entire portfolio would be all in puts if this was the 5-minute time frame, because I know we're coming back to at least a 200 EMA at 409.73. I know that. It's just a matter of when. Okay, so that's why I'm in heavy at the moment. And I sound like someone who has fucking 200 grand in here, eh? Can't shut the fuck up. Fuck the trend line. I would be all in if this was a 5-minute chart. That's why I'm playing this. If all you guys are in a 5-minute chart, I would tell everyone, yo, go all in. Because we're due for a pullback. But this is a larger scale trade or a bigger time frame, so it's going to take longer for the play to happen. Yeah, there is a chance. There is a chance then, but it's okay. That's why if you have safe contracts, there's no need to worry, especially if we're staying in this range. This range isn't a scary range. It's not a scary range. I don't recommend same days though for this trade. I just feel like if it was in a run, it would have ran already. Right? We've just been sitting in this area, which makes me feel like we're gonna have a pullback. So with everything in, I'm 400 contracts deep, spread between all my contracts right now. I'm in 400 contracts at the moment in all different contracts. Just because I feel like this is it. Yeah, you got to be careful with those 0 days then. All right, yeah, man, like those things are scary. Just it's only because I know I'm right. It's just when is it going to happen? That's the only key, right? So that's why it's better to have the safer contracts. I'm gonna look at my same days now. My last ad was like 78 cents. Let's look at it. Oh, you're fucking chilling with 89 average, bro. Because I'm chilling with an 89 average. You bought it in the 70s too? Yeah, you have to. That's why the same day could print heavy. Same days can print heavy right now. Yeah, this sucks, right? This freaking price action is horrible. I'm going to be so mad if I get stopped out too, sitting here for 30 minutes. But do you get me? Like, if this was super bullish, it should have already have hit 412 and hit 412.31 if it was that bullish, which makes me like, bro, we're coming back down to the 200 EMA. This candle's gonna fucking flip red. We need some selling pressure in here. This candle flips red. Yo, I need you guys gotta pay me some dividends on your gains, man. I want dividends from all you if this play works out. Yo, Zen, be careful with these same days, bro. Like, try to take profit, and like you can always enter a safer contract. Just because we have a lot in. I really feel like this should have a big drop right now. Imagine the candle ended like this, a 30-minute candle. Woo. Just trying. This place should work from a technical standpoint. Like, from this is our strategy that I teach. This is what I show you guys on the 5-minute time frame. This is when I top tick and bottom tick shit. Right, this exact play on the 5-minute time frame, and I would sell it at the 200 EMA. So I'm doing this on a bigger time frame, which means it's gonna take longer to happen. That's all it is. What's your price at? Like, are you? Yeah, I could sell too. What do you mean we could sell, Zen? What's our contracts at? For fucking $200? I don't recommend people in same days on this trade, but if risk to reward is going to be fucking a banger. If this drops right now, it's going to be a fucking banger. I'm going to sell my same days. This candle needs a flip red though. This candle flips red, we're fucking golden. If this candle goes red, we are golden. I'm telling you. This 30-minute candle needs a flip red. Light work, dude. You're down freaking, what, $10 on one, and the other one you're down 10%? What was that, 408 put? When did you buy the 408 put? Okay. Look at that's a bearish candle in the 30-minute too. It's pretty much a shooting star. This candle is fucking bearish. The previous 30-minute candle is bearish. So I'm looking at myself. If I was playing this on the 30-minute time frame, I could see it hitting back up around this level. But like at the bearish case scenario, but no, fuck that. We going down. The worst part about it is if we just walk away and come back in an hour, we would all be up money right now. It's just playing this fucking 30-minute bullshit. The fact is we haven't even retested an EMA on the 30-minute time frame, okay? And we broke through the 200 EMA. So once we're rejecting the 200 MA right now 3 times with a bunch of resistances are that we are key levels that we have to test below. This is horrible. What time is it? 11? Come on, man. This is why I told you guys no same days. So you can hold it. Because remember what I told you guys? This is the best spot to buy. The best spot. I kept repeating it. Look where we are an hour later. We're literally still at that same spot. Which should be an indication of this for us to do a pullback. No promises, but. That's why I'm watching the 30-minute time frame. I'm not getting faked out. I'm not getting faked out. I'm not watching the 5. I'm not watching the 1. I'm not watching the 2. I'm watching the 30-minute time frame. Because it's allowed to do this on the 30-minute time frame. I'm putting myself in the position of if I was trading this on the 5-minute right now, what would I be doing? And I know what I'd be doing because I'd already be putting the hell out of this thing. And it still has not even tested for 1060s, guys. This is fucking coming down. I don't care what any other chart indicator's telling you. This shit's going down. This is fucking... I'm so confident in this play and not confident at the same time. Who's holding put? Who's holding safe puts right now? Everyone, right? This guy. What do you mean very unsafe puts, Rolo? Just remember this, remember the potential of both scenarios, okay, guys? Don't let things get out of hand. Like I told you, I'm up over 100K this week, so my risk tolerance of holding is a lot more higher than everyone else's. I just personally believe in this play, but also don't want to be that biased and hold a fucking losing position just because and lose unnecessary amount of money. So I could be wrong here. But if you guys are watching the 30-minute chart just like how I'm watching it and you agree and why I'm in this play, we didn't even retest a previous support that we broke through. We didn't even retest it yet. So it's not even support right now. And we didn't even retest the close of the previous candle. This is extremely weird and bullish. Yo, you guys are crazy in same day puts, man. You guys are crazy in same day puts. I hope you guys are not over leveraged. Okay, do you have a stop loss in place? I swear to God, if one of you guys lose more than 20 cents on a trade, I'm going to be angry. I'd rather you take a loss, miss out on the play, than to freaking, go down past your risk tolerance. Don't let a trade get out of control. Do not let a trade get out of control. I just added at 73 cents for 411 puts. I don't recommend it. I'm just don't want to get theta burned. I'm confident about the October puts and the May 10th puts, guys. I'm not confident about the for the same days. So I'm letting you all know that now. Trying to go play tennis. I need this play to work so I could fucking make you guys some money. I'm gonna be real pissed if this doesn't work out because this shit. The fact is, if it doesn't right now, it will by the end of the day. That's why I said safe contracts. But I have 300 contracts right now and 411 same day puts. I'm I don't know. I just want you guys to make money. I just want everyone to here to make money. I don't even care if I don't make money. I literally do not care. As long as you guys make money, I'm fucking happy. And I'm telling you this is the best setup at the best fucking price. And if it doesn't work, I'd be very surprised. And it would just... Come on, man. That was a perfect fucking ad. Flip red. Let's go. That's good. That's a triple rejection of the 200 MA right now. Come on, man. Please, God, let my fucking people, well, I didn't mean to swear, let my people make money. Let them make money, man. They deserve this win. Everyone here deserves this win right now. Everyone in here deserves this win. Everyone in here deserves this win. Come on. Please, God, let's go. Okay, I'm out of my same days. I just made freaking $4,000. Just under $4,000. I cut that. I'm holding everything else, though. Everything else. Zen, you cut it? Zen, you cut your... Yo, guys, don't get greedy with these same days, eh? I don't know how big this play could be. Let's go. Fuck. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Banger. Got the top. We didn't get faked out. Bought the motherfucking top of the day. Let's go. Holy shit. I told you guys it was the best freaking spot to buy. I fucking told you it was the best spot to buy. I told you. It was the best spot to buy. It just takes a while. We played the same play that we would on the 5-minute. We played it on the 30-minute. It just takes time to develop. Zen just made a bag. Zen just made a bag. Look at that. Look at that, dude. Yo, doctors don't even make that type of money. No one should be in same days right now. No one should be in same days. Same days. Rolo, get out of those same days. Everyone get out of same days. I don't trust same days. I trust safe puts. Okay? Thank you guys. Thank you guys. You guys did the work. I was just letting you know, like, when we play the 5-minute time frame, I told you guys I would be all in right now. On the 5-minute, all in, my entire account. So I'm like, why am I going in so light playing on a higher time frame? The higher time frame just means a bigger pullback. Yo, no out to dates, man. I risked it freaking adding in at 73 cents, okay? that was a risk. I got you guys. But you see how we just came back and we tested our support? Remember I said we came up and we retested our support? I still think this candle's bearish. I'm holding everything else. Just not my same days. If we put it here, if we make a new high, I'm going to cut everything else. If we don't make a new high, I'm holding. So just know that. But those same days printed. Those same days printed crazy, man. But that's the benefit, guys. Don't go from how big my account size is. Go from your size. You see how me and Zen, we were adding in, okay? It was staying stagnant. So sometimes you have to add in when theta is getting to you. So I don't even care. If you're going with 10 contracts, you don't just click 10. You do 2. And then you add another 2. And then you add another 2. And you add another 2. That's the way you play same days sizing in. That's how you make the money. Because you first buy in at $1, and then you buy in at 90 cents. And like, I'm talking about a play you're convicted in. And then it goes to 80 cents, and then it breaks 80, and then you can like double down. Okay? Then you have a full size position as soon as it's there. You have to pay. You always have to size into a position. If we would have went all in, we still would have made money. But it's. If you would have went all in, like down here, man, like you lost money even though it went lower than your entry. Okay, so sizing in, especially when it comes to same days, I size into every single position. So it was a dollar put. Remember I told like we got the dollar put, guys. Now we got to see how we react. I'm holding everything else unless we make a new high of day. This candle's bearish, right? And if this candle ends the way it is, it's going to be bearish. So I'm just leaving. I'm letting my everything else ride. That's my risk tolerance. Okay, guys? My risk tolerance right now is a high of day. Anything more than a high of day, I'm gone. I still feel like we drop. But who knows? Shit's definitely another fucking same day put right now too. I'm not playing it though. No more being greedy. No more greed. Okay, so those same days worked out. The 5-minute looks a lot more chill than I thought it would be, to be honest. Yeah, I'll put those polls up. How many people are in here? Gucci. Mr. Body Catcher. Let's go. This needs to freaking go down right now. I'm looking like... It's looking like 410. We didn't even retest 410, bro. This is 1,000% hitting 410 today. I do not care what anyone says. We're hitting 410. And if we don't, we'll do it tomorrow. Okay, guys, polls are up. Hit those polls. Hit those polls. Everyone hit those polls. It's okay if you're red. It's okay if you're red. You stopped out. There's no big play that has happened yet, so it's okay if you're red. People who entered same days, we had a way higher risk than reward. Okay? Understand that. It was not the smartest decision doing same days at the top, but we all have different account sizes. We all have different risk tolerances, so we took that trade and it worked out, okay? If that would have kept ripping, everyone in same days would have got fucked. I'm telling you right now, myself included. So it's okay if you're red. Don't be shy. There has been no good put play, right? The plays that we expected to happen has not happened yet. It's going to happen. It just has not yet. Okay, AMC, how you red? I thought you had same days, buddy. Coop with the top tick. Let's go. Yo, Zen, I'm going to start calling you Dr. Zen, bro. This guy's making a doctor salary every day. This guy's killing it. Absolutely freaking killing it. Just trying. Did you cut your same days? Okay, that's good. That's good. Let's be real, man. $224 is a lot of money. You know what I mean? You can't get... Don't worry. A win is a win. A win is a freaking win. I would be too. I would be in those puts too, buddy. I agree with you. I am holding puts. I'm in October puts and May 10th puts. But yours are closer expiry, so you got to watch those like a freaking hawk, man. But this should be it. We should be cracking down now. The last 30-minute candle is bearish. We really should be going back down to 410. We did not retest 410, and okay, AMC, are you red now? Or are you green now? Are you still holding those things? Look at that, guys. We played the 30-minute time frame. It just took longer for the play to happen, but we still got it. Okay? Who's holding those their good safe puts? Who's holding safe puts? Who is holding safe puts? Yeah, Zen, I like that picture. All right, I don't want to see anyone holding puts past 410. I don't know if we can get there. Um, Honestly, selling at the VWAP 410s, 20s are a good area to sell, guys. Don't get overly greedy. Or if you want to play it risk it for the biscuit, sell. Sell at your entry. Yeah, I like that picture. $400 a day. $400 a day is $1,000 $100,000 a year. That's fucking crazy. I did that in 3 days. That's a blessed day. That was the luckiest week of my life. That I don't make these type of gains ever, guys. That's why I'm like trying to give it as motivation because it's fucking weird. I've never made that much money in my entire life. Exactly. It took freaking 6 figures of losses to have 6-figure days or 6-figure weeks. Remember that. It takes 6-figure losses to have 6-figure wins in general. You guys got to understand. Imagine your jobs if you're working or not working. Guys, $200 to $300 a day trading is a frig ton of money. Like, think about what type of a job you would have to make $300 a day. That's a good job. And if you can do that while being at home with your family, like, dude, you're winning. You're winning. But if your goal is 300 a day, you shouldn't lose more than 150 in a trade. You know what I mean? Exactly, Norval. So once you can consistently make 300 a day, which is pretty freaking like it's doable. I'm not going to say it's easy. It's very doable. You can be making $160,000 a year. Like imagine how good your life would be at 100 like doubling your income right now, right? You want to trade to live. You don't want to live to trade. You have to enjoy your gains. You have to enjoy everything. Trust me, I went through a stage in my life where I just wanted to keep compounding my accounts. I had big wins. I just wanted to have a big account, big account, big account, and then it takes one freaking trade to wipe out like half your account. Like 6 months of freaking of all those highs of doing so good and being greedy and not taking money out wiped away in one fucking trade. That's why you always have to pay yourself. Got yeah. 1 sec, guys. I'm just on the phone right now. Give me 1 second.